Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video. This is going to be a first impression / review of the new JEFFREE Cosmetics Thirsty palette. So if you guys want to know how it works and stuff, then just keep on watching and we will do this together. So I'm going to open it now. I haven't opened it obviously, and I'm super excited, like super excited. I'm literally not even going to show you what I'm opening this with because it's dangerous and I wouldn't recommend it, but it's working. So I'm just going to open this. I'm going to do swatches first and then I'll do so this is how it comes. And then here's the palette with the unicorn, and then it has my address and total. And so here's the cute little carton with the Thirsty palette, and then his little beautiful models that are killing it. Okay, so it comes with this little orange JEFFREE star thing, sticker symbol. Oh, it's so beautiful. So as you guys have already seen it with him doing it and stuff. So it has the drips and stuff, and then the ingredients. And I'm so excited, you guys. I've been stalking my mail all fucking day trying to get this in my mail. Oh, some tea, sister. So when you open it, it has a mirror, as you see, in that plastic thing, but it looks like, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see this. This pan, the quench pan right here, is like, there we go. So the quench pan, it's like, it's popping off. Do you see how it's lifted? I don't know if I can like, oh, I'm damaging it. Push it in more. I don't think it's falling out, but like you can like see that it's like lifted. So I'm gonna do some, I don't know if I should do swatches because he already swatched them and swatches don't really like tell, but I feel like I should for like people that aren't him, you know. So I'm gonna start with the top row, and what is that black shit on my hand? Okay, I'm gonna start with parched and then move across. So this is gonna be parched, and I swirled it, so that's it. That's parched. Then I'm gonna go in with taste buds. That is taste buds right there. And then I'm gonna go in with bitch. Oh my god. I kind of crossed them over because I'm bad at swatches. And then I'm going to go in with kumquat. That's a really good one. And then this one is stroke. And so, and then I'm going to do the glitters, or no, I'm going to do the other mattes down on the bottom row. So this is subtle. Subtle. And then quench. Oof. And this is submerge. And then this is Splash. And then I'm going to take my thumb for Drizzle. So those are the top and bottom row. I'm going to swatch the sparkly ones. This is Divine. Oh God, girl. Like, that is blinding. This is what I was most excited about. This is Filthy Rich. I like needed these in my life, just so you know. And then this is Lick. I love these two. Snatched. Oh my God. You could like feel the glitter. Oh, this is like what makes this palette fucking amazing, dude. Like, I've never seen shadows with like this much glitter or pigment. Like, no joke. The last one was Plunge. So this is Divine, Filthy Rich, Lick, Snatched, and Plunged. I want to use the silver one, honestly, but that, like, the last two are calling my name, the really glittery ones. What I did is I re-primed my eyes because I did not like, that was my fault. I can't blame the palette on that because I literally had nothing on my eyes. Like, you could see my veins. And you could see, like, my eye basically. So I put a concealer on and then I put Parched all over the lid. Again, I packed it on this time. So we're going to try, again, the right way. And I'm going to go in with Quench, the yellow shade. And I'm going to do what I was doing and blend that into the crease.
So just packing that into the crease and blending it. I don't want this to be too harsh.
And I think the blue is going to turn green anyways because of the yellow. So I'm just lightly putting that as a transition so that it will like pop through. And there's not much fallout on my face. There's a little bit on the pan. Now I'm going to take Subtle Submerge. And girl, I saved my new Morphe brushes for this palette. Like, I have been holding on to these for like a good reason. Come on. Take the Morphe 433 and take Submerge. And I'm gonna pack that into my crease and like outer edge. So now I'm gonna take a I think it's a 3-3, and I'm gonna take Splash, which is the shade, the teal shade, and kind of like, oh, I should have just done the teal shade because it kind of made it already teal, the yellow and the blue. And I'm just gonna kind of blend it all together. Yes, bitch. Yes. And now I'm gonna take some yellow and blend out the edges. And then I'm gonna take some more Submerge and kind of like pack it in there so the color comes off more. I'm gonna take some loose powder. I'm gonna bake under my eyes, not for the fallout, but to like, so this doesn't get too crazy. So this is what it looks like so far. I'm living for it. So now I'm just gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna do like the center and around. So I'm gonna need concealer. And I don't know if anyone else does this when they're doing their makeup. So I wear like really shitty pants, like sweatpants, leggings. And then like if I have to switch between brushes, I literally just wipe it on my pants because that's just what I do. I'm too lazy for anything else. So I'm going to put some Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics concealer brush. And I'm going to cut the crease a little bit for that glitter shade. Okay. And now I'm going to take, this is like a really dense brush. Oh, wait, that's my contour brush. I guess I didn't bring any other brushes. Oh, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brush and I'm going to take Submerge and I'm going to blend out these edges so they're not as harsh. Okay, and now I'm going to take Divine, which is the silver one, and I'm going to take a small packing brush I got from like some Amazon. I'm going to take my finger. I'm sorry that I'm all the way over there. I don't know why. Oh, bitch. Okay, this is like exactly what I pictured. I'm gonna blend out the edges. But fuck. It is so, I have no words. No words. So I'm gonna put some more Submerge because this is getting a little weird right there. I'm like obsessed. I can't wait to use all the, like, I want to wipe my eyes off and do all the other glitters. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera really quick and then wipe off my bake, and then we'll keep going. That's better. Okay, so I put Beach, which is that shade, and I put Quench, the yellow one, underneath my eyes. So now I'm going to put mascara, lashes, eyeliner, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put an inner corner highlight, and then I will say my final thoughts on this palette. I didn't get to use all the shades, but I feel like I used the ones that, like, so like all the glitters. I'll just come back and say my final thoughts about that, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be right back. once again, thank you guys so much for watching. So my final thoughts are, it's amazing. I love the concept of the packaging. I love the colors. I love the glitter. I love everything. I love this eye look. I love how, I just love his eyeshadow palettes. This is my second one. My Blood Sugar, I got Blood Sugar as the first one. The second one is like killing it. These shades are insane, like insane glitter, and I'm going to be doing so many more looks with this. I can't wait. So yeah, those are my final thoughts, and I think that this eye look came out exactly how I pictured it, and I thank you guys for watching, and please follow me on all social media platforms, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next one.